The answer is a little bit complicated, but sort of simple. Here's the thing I don't want you to do with your membership business, membership-based business. By the way, I have one of those too. What I don't want you to do is be evasive with the pricing. I will tell you this from a sales coaching standpoint. I tend to look around and see the other outfits that are doing it. 100% of them hide their pricing behind, I don't know where, I can't see it, so good job, they kept it from me. My pricing's $499 a month, okay? I'm clear, I'm upfront about it, I keep it up front. Why? Here's why. It's weird that other sales coaching companies don't understand this. I understand this as a sales coach. When somebody doesn't know how much something costs, it literally psychologically blocks their ability to take it seriously and make a decision. I'm going to say that again. When somebody does not know the price of something, they cannot take it seriously and start moving towards making a decision, which is why I want to get that out front early. Now, to your point, Derek, okay? You have different packages, you have different things going on. I'm perfectly okay when somebody says, what's the price? You to say, perfect, I can help you with that. Which package were you looking at purchasing? Well, I don't know. I'll be honest, I don't know either. We've got kids Muay Thai, we've got kickboxing, we've got the full blah, 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 blah. If I can ask you a couple questions, I'll be able to let you know the pricing on the package that best meets your needs. Fair enough? But in all of that, Derek, I want you to be early with the price, right? I'm not saying totally lead with it, but don't be evasive. Don't hide it. If they ask you what the price is and you're able to give them a price, give it to them, because what other sales coaches will not tell you, and when you think about this in your own world, when you don't know what something costs, it's really hard for you to start visualizing yourself signing up for that membership or buying that product or purchasing that software, because waiting behind all of that is, well, it just really depends on what the price is. So I would get it out early. I would ask them some questions. I'd figure out where they're at with their life, because you're doing martial arts, what their biggest reason for wanting to get involved with martial arts. And then I would say, hey, because of the fact that you said X, Y, Z, and ABC, I'd like to recommend our whatever package, okay, our unlimited package. What that's going to be able to do is allow you, and because of the fact that you'd said you're working, you're not sure what days you're going to come in, you'd like to come 4 days a week. The unlimited package is $450 a month. That's going to allow you to come to any class. You're going to be able to do the afternoon classes like you said you wanted to do, and then what a lot of our executives do is they try the morning programs. I know you said you're not a morning person, but you're going to have the ability to do those. Does it make sense to get you locked in the unlimited package, right? The more that you can deliver the price as a recommendation and not, waiting for it to be some, well, here's the price, right? The better off you're going to be. It shows that you're confident. It shows that you know what you're doing, and it shows that you're not playing games with your prices.
Hey, my name's Matt Easton. If this is your first time seeing my sales videos, I want to help you out. I want to give you my closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. You are going to close more deals. You're going to have more fun. You're going to make more money. You're going to hit your goals in life. And I'm going to cover all the costs for you. Did we just become best friends? I think so. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.